Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to come on today and share with you what I believe to be the best easy DIY at-home nails that I have ever found. And if you follow me, you know I'm an early adopter. I've been doing my own nails for 8-9 years. These new nails, the new system, a new type of at-home nails have solved every problem I've had. They're so easy. They're so affordable. I'm going to put here on the screen, like the average cost per manicure. Anyone can do them. There's no skill required. Like I just cannot say enough good things. So I'm going to walk you through like the full detailed tutorial. I recommend saving this video to refer back to it because the details matter if you really want them to last and look incredibly natural. They are called the BT Art Box nails. They are a soft gel system with the patented technology. When you first get them, they just look like regular press-on nails. And then you add their special top coats and you do the UV light and it seals them in. It makes them super strong. They're a hybrid between press-on nails and gel nails. So they have the ease of application and all the cool designs and shapes and colors of press-ons, but the longevity and the strength and the look of gel nails. They come in a variety of nail shapes, sizes, lengths, colors, and they're coming out with new ones all the time. I get everything from Amazon. They sell on Amazon, and they don't just have them for your fingernails, they also have them for your toenails. If you have tried press-on nails in the past and they have failed you, they didn't look natural, they popped off, they just weren't as good as the nail salon, I would say to try these. Don't give up on doing your own nails at home. Like these look so incredibly natural, even up close on camera. Like I've never been so impressed by at-home nails. It takes me between 15 to 30 minutes versus like when I would go to the nail salon, be a minimum of 1.5 to 2 hours plus driving time. And I would spend at least $30 to $50 with tip and everything. So you can save a lot of money. So with all of that said, let's get started with the tutorial portion, starting with your nail prep. The first step is you need to have dry nails. Don't do this just after showering or going swimming. I like to do them at night before bed because then after you do the nails, they're not going to then get wet soon after. So the drier, the better. You can do your cuticle work as you like. So if you prefer to trim your cuticles, you can do that, but at least I recommend pushing them back. Step 2 for prep, I like to cut my natural nails down short just because I feel like they look the most natural. You can't see your real nail underneath, but that's personal preference. So I do like to cut my nails down. Next, the step is very important. You want to file your natural nail bed just to remove the shine. You want to give them a little bit of texture, and that's going to give the glue something to grip to. Go over the entirety of your natural nail to give a little texture. Next is you can use a nail dehydrator or just use an alcohol prep pad to fully dry out your nails and remove any oils that are on your nails. And then last prep step, this acid primer top coat. What this does is it adds a little sticky layer that helps the adhesion of the nails even more so. I do find this makes a difference. This is a new step I added and I recommend. Now you want to get your nails out of the box and select your nail size. I actually really like how these nails come because it's easier to select your size. And this is like Goldilocks and the 3 nails. You want to find the nail that fits your nail bed perfectly. Not too big, not too small. There are 16 sizes on here. So whether you have larger nail beds or teeny tiny nail beds like I do, you should be able to find your size. And the thing about these nails that makes them the best, bottom of this nails that go against your nail bed is tapered and thinner. So it really blends in and looks seamless. That is what no other press-on nails I've ever found can do as well as these. So get your nail sizes selected, and now you're going to choose your method depending on what your goals are. So method number 1, I like to go with the nail glue method, and this is the method you want to pick if you're looking to change your nails out every 1 to 2 weeks, and if you want them to be easier to remove. If you use their gel cure glue, it's going to take a little bit longer, but they will be like cemented onto your nails and you can get like 3+ weeks of wear time. So I use the gel glue on my toenails because for the toes, they are much more likely to pop off. So it makes them extremely secure. I typically like to switch out my nails every 2 weeks just because with any nails you have, whether you're at the nail salon or doing them yourself, after 2 weeks, there is going to be regrowth. So I just like to switch them up. If you're going with method number 1, the nail glue. So I've tried many, many different types of nail glue over the years. This is my favorite. It's called KDS. I mean, it's just like super glue on here. It really holds them on. So you have your nail sizes all selected. There's a new technique I use with the glue to avoid bubbles and to really get the perfect glue application. And that is you start by applying the nail glue in a really thin coat on the inside of the fake nail. And then do 2 drops of the nail glue on your real nail. So you want the double bond and you press it down hard. And I can't emphasize this enough. You really want to put pressure, press it down as hard as you can and hold it. Don't skip out. Don't wait 10 seconds. You need like a solid 45 to 60 seconds holding it down. You want to lock these nails in place. Then you want to take your nail file and file off the top little nub from pulling them off of this little strip and file that off. Now, this is where the magic happens. This is what sets it apart from regular press-on nails. So next up is you get their builder gel. I would say you want to use their brand, do a coat of the builder gel. And this is quite thick. It's supposed to be thick. This is what really reinforces the strength of these nails. They're not going to bend, break, or go anywhere. So you put 1 coat of the builder gel, and then you want to do a 60-second cure with an LED light. Please either wear gloves or put sunscreen on your hands. You don't want to get sun damage on your hands. I just put sunscreen on mine. And then the last step is to put a coat of their top coat. This is what's going to give it the beautiful shine. And then you cure your nails under a UV light for 60 seconds. And that's it. You have the most gorgeous salon quality nails at home for a fraction of the price. And I also just hate the nail salon because of the small talk. Like I'm an introvert and I hate sitting there and my back hurts. Like I'm just not a nail salon person in general, which is why I've been doing my own nails. And these are just as good. Like they look so good up close. I'm getting so many compliments. So now let's talk about removal. I'm going to demonstrate removing these nails. They are so solid on here. That's like one big difference from regular press-ons. Like these feel so solid. I'm doing dishes, I'm cleaning, I'm doing laundry. They're not going in. So this is my preferred removal method. First, you want to get a baby nail clipper and trim off any excess nail. This does make it quite a bit easier to remove if you first cut them down short. And then you want to get this nail remover spray that dissolves the nail glue and spray it right at the base of the nail and take a little cuticle pusher and push up the base of the nail wherever you can, just so that spray can get in there and start to dissolve the glue. Let that sit for a good 5 minutes. Then you want to grab your baby nail clippers. It does make it easier if you use the tiny nail clippers. And you want to grab the nail and gently pull it back and then spray more of that nail glue if there's any resistance. Let it sit and then continue pulling it back gently and clipping off and pulling off the nail. This does not hurt. And my nails underneath, like you can see, they are not damaged. They're totally fine. Some troubleshooting, if for whatever reason you're having issues that they're not lasting on you, first thing, make sure you go through and you do every step of that nail prep in detail, because it does matter. The prep makes all the difference. Second thing I would say is to use a more coarse grit nail file and do more filing of your natural nail. The more texture on your natural nail, the better they are going to stay. The next thing I would say is to make sure you're using enough glue and you are really taking the time to press them down as hard as you can for at least 60 seconds. Like I've not had any issues of these coming off on me, and I'm pretty rough on my nails. So do those things and make sure you are purchasing the XCOATTIPS by BTA Art Box. They also have the regular press on nails. They are not the same thing. You want the XCOATTIPS. I have everything I used in one list here. And to make it easier, you could just press the little eye icon in the bottom left of each item and add multiple things to your cart really fast. So that is how to shop. If you have any other questions, leave it down in the comments. Save this video to refer back to it and subscribe for more videos like this in the future. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon with a new video.